Let's be real. Running a job with clunky, disconnected apps is controlled chaos. Barely controlled chaos. One hiccup, bad weather, a late crew, a missing shipment, and the whole project is thrown off. You need a single solution made specifically for construction projects. Quickbase's Project Hub Pro app. By construction pros, for construction pros. The Project Hub Pro app is the ultimate one-and-done construction project visibility tool for general and specialty contractors. It's a customizable foundational app that allows you to build operations that reflect the way you work. Consolidate key project information, financials, labor, materials, and compliance into intuitive dashboards for executives, project leaders, and field teams. GMs can see risk, PMs can track progress, field teams can stay locked in. The app is easy to learn, customize, and integrate. Connects with ERPs, spreadsheets, and even custom apps. In one app, you can track workflows, permits, costs, KPIs, and safety incidents. The point is, no more spreadsheet gymnastics. It's modular and scalable. Add apps as you grow without any bloat. This isn't your run-of-the-mill project tool. It's steel-toed, hard-hatted, built for construction. And it shows. Project Hub Pro app. You'll wish you had it sooner.